giving antibiotic alone is not the part of correcting the sepsis. You understand? Ultimately, the end organ damage to be prevented. There are multiple aspects are there, and fluid resuscitation, make sure the mean arterial pressure is maintained. Seeing a patient giving a higher antibiotic meropenem will not solve any purpose, or give only ultimately resistance and may not be useful also. That is one thing. Use antibiotic when and where it is necessary, and along with the other part. Antibiotic is only one part of sepsis treatment, not the antibiotic alone is not the thing. That is one thing. Second thing is, yes, antibiotic resistance is the biggest problem what we are facing right now. That is not, as you rightly told, you yourself told one point is that it's not because of only medical fraternity is using, or local doctors are using, RMPs are using, or the small nursing homes are using. That's what the poultry, what you told rightly, so much of poultry is misusing antibiotics that ultimately now we are seeing so many community-acquired UTI, community-acquired respiratory tract infections. We are seeing multi-drug resistant, carbapenem resistance is we are seeing. So definitely it is a concern. It is a concern. That's why in the forums of critical care or in the higher forums of in medical fraternity, we are discussing for quite some time about antibiotic resistance, de-escalation of antibiotics, insisting on MIC values, choosing an appropriate broad spectrum antibiotic, and de-escalation depends on the cultures. Do the cultures, why to take the proper specimen, and source reduction. All these factors we are talking from quite some time to avoid this antibiotic resistance only. Yes, definitely in emergency, sometimes it's very painful to realize giving a carbapenem, definitely the patient is given a carbapenem that, okay, you're given appropriate antibiotic, the patient will respond. Even after 6 hours, the patient is not responding, the patient is further worsening. Then by the time the patient has carbapenem resistance, you have to go for next generation of antibiotics now, what you can say, colistin, polymyxin or something. But yeah, if at all tomorrow, if the bugs are resistant even to colistin, what do you look for? Definitely, so we have to act, and definitely many forums are trying to educate the medical fraternity and the governments also, in fact, to about this antibiotic resistance. We should seriously make sure that this line, actually giving antibiotic alone is not the solution to treat a sick patient. I think that should be insisted more and more on for the people and the doctors and other people, definitely, I think.